Watching Squid Game Season 1, there is one thing the drama reminded me. One key thing you must do when building a team. So I thought I'll share with you that key aspect of building a smart team. Okay, no spoilers here. I will not disclose any revealing information about the show. Hey, Daud here, project management coach and trainer, with a video on one key consideration for putting a team together that can boost team's performance. In the Squid Game, no one knows what the next games are. So when they form the team, they do something that I am discussing here. They select one member of the team because he is strong, select another because he is smart, and another who is old enough to have played children's games. See, we tend to like and associate with people who look like us. This is what generally happens. However, when building a team, you want to bring people who do not look like you, do not have the same skills and knowledge as you have, and you want them to come from backgrounds that you have not experienced. You want to build a diverse team. There are two huge benefits of doing that, which is supported and proved by research. Harvard Business Review refers to several research conducted on this topic. It mentions that diverse teams are smarter because they focus more on facts than on opinions generated by the homogeneous group. One reason is that in a diverse team, team members may feel the pressure of considering facts carefully because someone may challenge their thinking, so they do not want to be put on the spot. What I'm saying is that in a diverse team, they will be more aware of the biases they carry due to the unique experience they had, and this will make them cautious. So the result is that when they review facts, they are much more careful. One other thing is that a diverse team is more innovative just by the nature that people come with different backgrounds, experiences, and skills. So when put into new and unknown situations, team members will have different ideas, emotions, and responses. Just like I saw in the Squid Game. Sorry, can't tell you more than that because then it will ruin the story. Just remember, never make the mistake of surrounding yourself with people who look like you, behave like you, and carry the same experience, knowledge, and skills like you. Do not make this mistake when building a team. Thanks for watching.